Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I got some shoes. So we're gonna show you guys what they look like here. These are some boots. Look at that, brown boots. So these would be nice and handy. These are size 42, which I think is like a 9 or something like that. So it should be about my size. And this is what they look like here, kind of cowboyish. If I'm wearing jeans or something, it'll kind of cover it up on there. But it's got a nice, good hard toe. Good, it's got some good flex to it on there. Oh, the inside's nice. It has a, let me see if I can take it out there, a little foam padding on the bottom, so that's good too. So you'll have that. And we have a right foot and a left foot. We have one for each foot. That's usually handy too. Okay, and these ones here are just kind of like, stretchy slide-on ones. So that's kind of cool too. So let's go ahead and give these things a try. You guys can watch. Sorry, I have kids, so there are painted toenails at the current time. And then this will go in there. Let me see how we do this there. And that is it. It's slightly large on me. So what I would do is I have the buckle right here. I could go ahead and tighten this up a little bit if I want to. I'm just gonna leave it like this for right now and just give it a try, walk it around. So there it is. Oh, and these are comfortable. Wow, these are good. And it's good, it's got some flex to it versus some of these other kind of boots that are just solid. These are good. These are nice. They're not gonna make you hugely tall. They don't have a huge heel on it, so it's fine for me. I'm 5'10", I'm tall enough. So these are good. I like them. These are gonna be totally handy and useful, and when I wanna look snazzy and boot worthy, I've got them here. So these are cool. I really like them. I like these boots. I needed something nice. I've been wearing straight flip-flops and stuff, and I have to go to a couple of events and stuff, so this will be handy. So that's what it looks like there, and totally cool. I like it. Thumbs up.